Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a sweet dish which is everyone's favorite. I would say you can find this dish in Indian weddings, Indian parties, Indian ceremonies, and sometime in Indian birthday parties as well. This dish, I would say kids will love this because this is round in shape and very sweet in nature. So the dishes I was talking about the Gulab Jamun, very famous. So let's get started and see the recipe.
First we start preparing the syrup for making the Gulab Jamun. So I've taken a pen. So now I'm gonna add sugar to it. I've taken 2 cups of sugar. Now adding water to it. I've taken 1.5 cup of water. Now stir it and let the sugar dissolve in water completely. This process will take few minutes. Now we will add 1 cardamom to it, or we can have cardamom powder, then add half teaspoon or teaspoon or a pinch and boil it for few more minutes. Look at this, the chashni, or we can say our sugar syrup is ready as sugar has dissolved completely. Now move on to the next step. Now next step is to make gulab jamun from scratch. So I have taken this big flat plate as I'm going to use my palm to make this dish. So I have taken homemade paneer 100 gram or half cup. Now I'm going to mash or crumble the paneer really well and knead it really well to make it smooth with the use of my palm, and this process will take around 5 to 7 minutes because you really need to mash it. Now I'm done with kneading the paneer until smooth and soft. Now next step is to add or mix the soft mawa or kova with paneer. I've taken 250 gram of soft mawa, and you know what, this is homemade. I made in the morning. Now let's mash the mawa and kova until smooth. But again, this step of mixing will take 5 to 7 more minutes because you really want to band everything together. Now add all-purpose flour or maida 70 gram or half cup to it. This will help in binding these two items, paneer and the mawa. It helps in not breaking the balls. So now I'm going to mix everything well with mashing with hands and prepare soft dough. Now I'm done with preparing a soft dough. I'm going to add baking soda 2 pinch and baking powder half teaspoon to it and mix well everything together. Every process needs kneading time. So now it's done. So let's make small dough rolls for the gulab jamun. Like this. I've divided the dough into many parts and now make a nice smooth roll like this. So you can keep the size of gulab jamuns or small or big as desired. Make sure that there should not be any cracks in the dough and it should be smooth. So if you see any cracks on the dough ball, then knead the dough more until smooth. So we have made a really nice smooth dough ball without any cracks, so the dough is perfect for me. So I'm making balls for rest of the dough. See, I have made all the balls now and they are looking nice. See, look at that. If you need, you can roll it again like this. So let's move to the next step. So here I have preheated pan with oil in it. Now I'm going to drop all the round balls into the ghee or oil for frying. So we will cook this on medium to low flame. Don't increase the flame, it will burn. It will not cook from inside. So we have to cook from inside. So the flame should be medium to low. Also the quantity of oil more so that the gulab jamuns are drenched well. It takes less ghee to fry the gulab jamuns, but keep the quantity more. Friends, if you're new to this channel, please like the video, share your comments in the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. See that? They are looking so beautiful and they have turned brown from all the sides. Now I will take them out one by one. But if you think that they are not cooked so well, so let it cook for few more minutes on medium to low flame. Once it's done, you can take them out one by one, drain it and drop in the sugar syrup, which we have prepared earlier in the beginning of the video. Look at that. They are floating on the ghee or oil. See, I've put all the gulab jamuns in the sugar syrup and I will leave it for 2 hours to set them well. This is the one which I have prepared in the beginning of the video. After 2 hours, see that they are double in size, and you can say they are looking big as the syrup are into it. They are looking so yummy, delicious. The gulab jamuns are ready. You can eat it anytime, or you can invite your friends to have this beautiful, yummy, sweet dish. They are so sweet. Enjoy and happy eating.
Friends, if you like this recipe, please tell me in comment section below and like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I would see you next time. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye.